Hi, I'm Herman W. Lapointe. I was at a United Way meeting when I received a telephone call that there was an accidental fire at the Notre Dame Church.
I do remember the Notre Dame fire because that was just such an emotional, devastating event in our lives at the time.
I was married in that church in 1951, and I went to grammar school and high school. It was really a monument.
Oh yeah, Notre Dame Church fire stood out in agency lore because we were probably the biggest agency in the city to be affected by that.
And we had at least 25 to 35 insurance clients in that neighborhood that lost 100% of their assets.
It was a big fire. I was away. I was at a training. I was at Commercial Union School for Agents. I was at training, and one of the teachers there, because insurance companies hear about these big fires right away, even in those days. And one of them came over to me and said, half of your city's on fire. You want to call your office, see how it's going? So I did, and Dad explained that they had the insurance companies were sending adjusters down with checks. I mean, the news photographs were showing nothing but foundations left on the ground. So they knew they were just going to be paying these claims.
We were very proud to be able to give these people checks and have these people go on with their lives and return to some sort of normalcy after a very tragic event. And we do still have some of those clients with us today.